how you can create and send a video email with AI, including the titling and everything. So here it is. Two lessons I'm going to do for you guys today. One is how to send a video email with AI or create and send, like, right? How to do the whole thing. I'm going to start with that one first. But two things at a time that I'm going to do is I'm going to record that content for social media. And I'm using another Dubb tool to do that, which is the desktop app. Because if you guys know, for platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, those guys like vertical videos. And it's very hard to take a landscape video and crop a perfect video out of it. So instead, if you're more intentional, and this is all about being intentional, right, guys? If you know what your ideal platform is or where you're trying to grow your business, you want to create content for that platform. Like if it's a meta ad, do a meta ad, right? If it's something else, YouTube videos, do landscape. So in this case, I want a vertical video where I'm going to show how to use AI and video to send a super powerful email. So, okay, here we go. We're using the desktop app. I'm now going to record my screen showing both of these tools. And then at the end of it, we're going to have a perfect social clip, as well as a tutorial for everybody else. So, okay, here we go. Turn on the vertical frame, come right here and start here. Okay. What if you could send a video email purely with AI? And why send a video email? Well, first, because it's 10 times more effective than regular email. And let me show you exactly what I mean. Pause. So first I pause, right? There's a little hook. Like, what is a video email and how can you send it with AI? There's the first part. And then I use the pause function to now change gears, because now I want to go over here to Dubb, but I want to go to the video recording place where I'm going to record a video. And then I'll also get my Gmail open, right? Maybe I want to show a few different tabs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get all those things ready before I resume my video, right? I don't want to show all this in the recording. Like, you guys are seeing the full version, but the people in the recording are only going to see the stuff that I'm not paused on. So, okay. So the first step is to record a video. Press the record button. You can do this from a mobile app, from any device, from any of the tools. In fact, I'm using the desktop right now to record this video. So this is step one. This is a part that I recommend not using AI for, especially if this is for business development, trying to build trust with somebody, really trying to break through the noise. You want to make sure that they can't tell it's an AI video. So you'd say something like, hey, John, I wanted to personally introduce myself. I'm Darius, co-founder of Dubb and Dubb AI. And the reason I wanted to make this personalized video just for you is because my team did some research and know that you're a perfect fit. So right after this is going to come a short video explaining exactly what Dubb can do for you and your sales team. And in fact, you're going to find some case studies right next to that, where you're going to see how we've transformed other sales teams just like yours with the power of AI and video. So please check those out. Let me know your thoughts. And when you're ready, let's schedule a time. Thanks. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Check. So now the first part of this video is done. And that's essentially the only part that needs to be done by you, because now we're ready to go over to our AI tool and simply use our voice to do the rest of the work. That's because Dubb AI is the only AI connected to the video communication tool. It's also connected to your email, your CRM, any other communication tool that you would like to send, a DM on social media. So I'm going to come right over here and I'm going to press the record button and I'm going to say, ignore that first part and send the video email that I just recorded to myself as a test. Make the subject test and the email, it's going to Darius@Dubb.com. Thanks. So it caught some of my nonsense in the beginning there, and you guys see it cleaned that up. It removed it because I said, hey, clean it up. So that's how smart it is, right? So it's listening to my voice, ignores all my junk and garbage, actually sends the thing that I wanted to say, right? And then that's ready to go. And so now it's going to use the email and the video, and it's going to go ahead and send them to me with the GIF and the preview and everything else. Let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like on the recipient side. Oh, and did you look at that? The AI is going to send it to me. Just to confirm, do you want to send it? And so yes, we'll just say yes, send it. And then I will resume the clip showing the final result in my email. So, okay, we said yes, send it. And then confirming, and this is the other piece I wanted to break out for you guys and show that automatic titling is now there. Every video automatically can be titled so long as you have the closed captions enabled by default, which every paid user does. So now we're going to go over here and let's see, did it send it yet? Okay, sent it. Let's hit refresh. There it is. Okay, perfect. Look at that. Everything just right. So now I just need to position my frame here a little bit so that it can include what I need to there. Okay. And then I'll resume the video with me on top right here. So that's it, guys. You see, it was able to take my personal email, my video I just recorded, automatically titled it, packaged it on a landing page, and sent it to whatever email address we wanted to automatically. And guys, this is just the beginning, because this is how you can send a video email with AI. But what about the follow-ups? And what about when you forgot to respond? And what about automating your entire email inbox so that this is done for you automatically while you're sleeping to each and every lead and prospect and opportunity that needs nurturing? That's Dove AI. And if you're interested, check out the link in the chat or come to these live trainings every single day. See you in the next one. Okay, there we go. Boom. It's a little bit long for a social post, right? 3 minutes. There's some trimming in there I think we can do. But that, my friends, is how we are accomplishing a number of things at one time, right? We just created a social media post, but we also got to see how you can send video emails with AI.